Morning students, let's begin our science class. And today in the category of the synthetic fibers, in the earlier class I have explained you about the general characteristics of the synthetic fiber, and I have explained you that these synthetic fibers or the artificially or man-made fibers, they have been categorized into two main categories, that is the cellulosic synthetic fibers and non-cellulosic synthetic fibers. Cellulosic synthetic fibers are those fibers which are prepared from the one polymer that is cellulose, and this cellulose polymer is made up of several small repeating units of molecules of glucose, and this cellulose is present in the cell wall of the plants. Due to this reason, they are all called as the cellulosic synthetic fibers. Very good example of cellulosic synthetic fiber is rayon, which is prepared by chemically treating the cellulose which is obtained from the wood pulp of the plants. Then second category of the synthetic fiber is the non-cellulosic synthetic fibers, which are prepared mainly from the chemicals. They are totally synthesized by using the chemicals in the laboratory, and no raw material is obtained or used for which is obtained from the plants or animals are used in making the non-cellulosic type of synthetic fibers. So in the previous class I have explained you about the rayon, which is an example of cellulosic synthetic fiber, and beside that I have also explained you about the nylon, which is very good example of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber. In the same category, now I am going to explain you about the two more type of non-cellulosic synthetic fibers, that is about the polyester and the acrylic. So let us begin with the polyester. So this polyester is a non-cellulosic synthetic fiber which is prepared in the laboratories or in the factories by using the polymers of ester. So this polyester which is a example of non-cellulosic type of synthetic fiber is generally developed in the laboratory or in factories by using the polymers of ester. So polymers of ester are used in the synthesis of polyester type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber. This is the first point which you should definitely remember. Second important point which is related with the polyester fiber is that it consists of several varieties. There are several varieties of this polyester fiber. Some of the examples are given here, like the terylene is there, terylene fiber is there, and this terylene fiber is used for making various types of fabrics. Besides this, some other examples of the variety of the polyester includes PET, and its expanded form is polyethylene terephthalate. So if anybody asks you what is the full form of the abbreviation PET, then you will say that PET is the expanded form of the PET type of polyester is polyethylene terephthalate. Understood? Now, beside this, the polyester fibers, they are mixed with the natural fibers to develop certain different varieties of fabrics. So this is one important use of polyester fibers, that these polyester fibers, they are mixed with the natural fibers also, and after mixing them with the natural fibers, they are used for making the different varieties of fabrics. So these are few important points which you should remember about the polyester type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber. After this, I will be explaining you about the various properties of polyester type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber, which is mainly developed from the polymer of esters. So this first important property of the polyester type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber is that it is strong, elastic or stretchable, durable, as well as it does not shrink. So this is very good characteristic which keeps it in the upper hand from other type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber. That is, it is strong, it is stretchable or elastic, it is durable, as well as it does not shrink. So these are few good properties of polyester type of fiber, synthetic fiber. Second important property of this polyester fiber is that it is easy to wash and it dries up very quickly. So this is the second advantage of using the polyester type of synthetic fiber, that is because it is very easy to wash and it dries up also very quickly. It means it does not absorb too much of water or moisture. Third important property of the polyester type of fiber is that it is wrinkle resistant. It does not wrinkles like the natural fiber cotton clothes. So these are some of the major properties of the polyester type of synthetic fiber. First, it is long, it is strong, elastic or stretchable, durable, and it does not shrink. Second important property, that it is easy to wash and it dries up very quickly. And third important point about the polyester property of the polyester type of synthetic fiber is that it does not shrink and it is also wrinkle resistant. So these are some of the properties of polyester type of synthetic fiber. Now I will tell you about the uses of this polyester type of synthetic fiber. So first use of this synthetic polyester is that the fibers of polyester, because they are strong, durable, wrinkle resistant and does not shrink, therefore they are used for making various types of dresses like saris and shirts, etc. Besides this, the polyester fibers, they are used to make wrinkle-free fabrics. They are used for making the wrinkle-free fabrics. How these wrinkle-free fabrics are made? By using this polyester fiber. That is, these polyester fibers, they are mixed with the natural fibers, resulting in the formation of two types of fabrics. What are the names of those two types of fabrics which are formed as a result of the mixing of the polyester fiber with the natural fiber? That is polycot. It is polycot, and this polycot type of fabric is formed by mixing polyester fibers along with the cotton fibers. And second type of wrinkle-free resistant fabric, which is formed by mixing the polyester fibers with the wool, that is called as the poly wool. So if anybody asks you, write down the name of the two wrinkle-free types of fabrics, then you will write the name of these two fabrics, that is polycot, polycotton or polycot and poly wool. And how they are formed? That is, they are formed, that is the polycotton or polycot is formed by mixing polyester fibers with the natural fiber of cotton, whereas poly wool type of fabrics is made or developed by mixing the polyester fibers with the fibers of wool. So this is how the wrinkle-free resistant variety of fabrics are formed by mixing the polyester fibers with cotton and wool. Besides this, the PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate type of or variety of polyester fibers, they are used for making the storage containers, as well as they are also used for making the water bottles, which you all are seeing. Bisleri bottles are coming in the market, as well as the various plastic bottles are coming in the market, which you are using or keeping in your refrigerator for cooling the water during the hot summer season. So these type of everyday usable things, they are also prepared by using the PET variety of polyester fibers. Now the next and the last type of synthetic fiber about which I am going to tell is the acrylic type of synthetic fiber. And this acrylic type of synthetic fiber is prepared from the polymer named polyacrylonitrile. So this acrylic type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber, it is developed from the polymer named polyacrylonitrile. Some of the properties of this acrylic type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber is like that they are having the properties similar to the natural fiber wool. That is, these acrylic type of synthetic fibers, they are having certain properties or characteristics which are similar to the natural fiber, that is called wool. What are those characteristics which this type of synthetic fiber is having similar to that of the wool? That is, it is soft, lightweight, warm, as well as it is resistant to weathering also. So these are some of the properties of acrylic type of synthetic fibers. Besides this, one more topic is there which is related with the uses of this acrylic type of synthetic fiber. That is, these synthetic fibers, they are used as substitute of wool fibers for making the socks, for making acrylic sweaters, as well as they are also used for making blankets, etc. One more use of this acrylic type of synthetic fiber is that these acrylic type of synthetic fibers, they are cheaper than the wool, and therefore they are used for making the various types of woolen clothes which are used by the human beings during the winter season to protect them from the cold weather conditions. So with this, students, we come to an end about the explanation of all the various types of synthetic fibers, and in the next class, the next topic which I will be taking, that is about the plastics and the various types of plastics, as well as about the harmful effect of using the plastics in our day-to-day life, and how we can do the management of this plastic waste. Hope you have understood whatever I have explained you about the synthetic fibers. If you like the video, then definitely subscribe. Thank you for attending the class.